Hello, welcome. Another episode, question 25, the NOV-DEC 2024 edition. The diagram shows the dimensions of the floor of an L-shaped room. If the cost of carpeting the floor is $2 per square meter, find the total cost of carpeting the entire floor. So we want to know what will be the cost of carpeting the whole floor. If 1 square meter, they said per square meter, 1 square meter. What is the square meter in this sense? The area. The square meter as the area, one by one, is going to be $2. Then we have to know what will be the total area of the room. If I know the total area of the room, then I multiply by the $2, I can get the cost of it. Now, this can be split into various right angle to your own convenience. I would like to split it vertically in this form. If I do so, this length is going to be 10. This length, this area is going to be 4, making it a rectangle. So I can say rectangle A. Now, if from here to here is 4 and from here to here is 10, it means if I take away 4 out, I'll be left with 6 meters. So 6 and 4 also make it length and breadth. So this will be another rectangle. So I will say that area of rectangle A equals to length times breadth, and the length will be 10. The breadth will be 4. So 10 times 4, that gives us 40, I think we are dealing with meters, right? 40 meters square for the area of this. Then area of rectangle B by length and breadth. The longest side is 6, then 4, making it 24 meters square. But what are we looking for? We're looking for the area of the whole thing. So area of floor will be 40 meters square plus 24 meters square, and that gives us 64 meters square. And in these 64 meters, each of the meters square is going to be what? $2. Meaning $2 in the group of 64. That's multiplication. So total cost. So the total cost of carpeting the entire floor is going to be the $2 times 64. And I believe 2 times 6 will be 12, 2 times 8 will be, 2 times 4 will be 8, so $128. So 128 is going to be the option A. You can also divide this in this length, as in the whole of this being 10. Then from here, we are going to have 10 here, 4 here, so 6 there. You end up getting the same answer. But I get the concept employed here is understood by you. This is what you'll be using when you want to buy a carpet for your own room. You don't want to buy it in excess or underdose, under measure. These are some of the things you do. You measure, you multiply, you go in there and get exactly the same length. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and